Hello, welcome to Stamping Country. I'm Robin Feicht, and today we're going to make this cute little Peter Rabbit bunny holder or treat holder. First we need to cut our paper. We'll cut it 2 by 8.5, and then we're going to score at 3 3/4 and 4 3/4. So that's going to give us, and then we're going to use the Fable Friends stamp set and the bunny from that. I'll mount him on a clear block. And we're going, we better punch the ends with the scallop tag topper punch. I cut it 2 inches wide because it slides right into the punch. So that's going to give us a little place to tie our ribbon. I'm going to stamp with Tuxedo Black Memento ink. Make sure he is facing up and above the score line. Cute, cute, cute. Now we're going to color with our Stampin' Blends, which are alcohol markers. I'm going to start with the light crumb cake marker, and I'll shade in his fur, or I'll color in his fur. And then we're going to shade with the darker of the crumb cake. You can see there's some lines in the art, so I'm going to just put a little bit darker color there, and then I'll blend it out with the lighter crumb cake Stampin' Blend to give it a little bit of extra texture. And then we're going to do his nose and his cheeks with Petal Pink Stampin' Blend, and we'll do his ears. I'm going to use the lighter Petal Pink to color his belly, and then we'll shade it with the darker Petal Pink. Now for the jacket, Peter's famous jacket. I'm going to use Balmy Blue. I'm using the lighter color first and just coloring in his jacket. I believe his jacket was blue in the story. Have you ever read Beatrice Potter's stories? This is Peter Rabbit. And then I'm going to shade around his arms, under his neck, with the darker Balmy Blue. Yeah, let's get under his arms here too. And then we'll blend that out with the lighter Balmy Blue blend. And then we'll give him his buttons. We'll do those with Daffodil Delight. He's all done. Now we're going to do the sides. Cut 2 pieces. They're going to be Balmy Blue. And I cut them 1 inch by 2 inches. And you're going to need 2 of those, and then score at 1.5 or a 1/2 inch and then 1.5 inch. And so you would have 1 inch in the center and a 1/2 inch on each end. Put some adhesive on each end. Make sure you fold up your bottom. And then we'll just tuck those in. You can make these wider if you choose to. I just chose the 1 inch. I think it works. The grass sort of holds everything in place. And we'll tuck a little bit of Easter grass in. And how about some Dove chocolate? Yes, I like to store them in my beautiful canning jars. And then we'll tie everything up with some braided linen trim. So those holes that we punched, we'll just slip our trim through there. Now this is the braided linen trim, so I'll be able to separate it and give it a sort of a cool look. You can leave it just like this if you want, but I like the little extra fringe there. So I'm separating it. We're almost done. Okay, so you can see how quick and easy these are to make. Now Peter needs one more thing, and that's a cottontail. So I'm going to use some cotton balls. You just need a portion of it, not the whole thing. You can round it out if you want, and then we'll glue that to the back for his cottontail. It's just a nice finishing touch. Well, I hope you enjoyed this project. Be sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much. Have a fabulous day.